Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
See, I'll put some oil on. Okay, that definitely looks different. So that's the new one. Even the angle of that piece in the end here looks like it's laying at a different angle. So is it like a longer? It looks like it's got more ones even when you compare. Maybe that's all the fingers crossed. And I didn't order a replacement for these because they're pretty solid. I don't think something will go wrong with this weight itself. So that's very nice and square on the shaft. I need to make sure the pin gets caught into here. So as this spins, it's got an angle there, and I'll use the old one, but that is basically sitting like that. Then as it rocks, it flips it flat, so the hydraulic lifter just runs over the flat area, and when it's put in, it flicks it that way, so the round surface is at the top, and the hydraulic lifter then just lifts the valves just barely anything. It's above the level of the floor, is not much for the camshaft, but it's just enough to allow decompression to occur to make it easier to start, and also to help for it to not kick back when it's stopping. So now I've got to make sure that shaft fits in here, and this spring needs to sit Okay, this might be hard to see, but I can see that pivoting. Whereas the other one, spring, it was like staying like this. It was actually closing. This is... And if I shine this in here, need another arm. I think it just went flat. So in there, that's the pin, so that's flat there, so the roller will just go over that, but when it's this way it just makes a little jump for the roller just to lift that fraction. I'm a little bit confused though. I'm thinking, shouldn't that hold it closed and centrifugal force flicks it open? But it's staying open by itself. It's definitely, I mean, I haven't done this up tight yet, but alright, I'll just get the torque specs and come back. Okay, there is no torque setting that I could find. I googled it and Google says there is nothing in the manual either. It did remind me to use Loctite. I've got to take it out to put Loctite on it. Okay. Must be blocked. I don't want very much on here because I don't want it coming out onto the spring or anything, so. So I do. Oh. I don't know what that is, but it's, I don't want to go too tight.